Apple's AirPods have been out for over a year and I've avoided buying them. I've been really content with my Powerbeats 3s, but I was curious how well these were actually going to be, and verdict, they absolutely suck. I'll explain, stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you're new here or you've seen the channel before, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. Okay, so spoiler, these actually don't suck. They suck because they've ruined the experience for every other headphone that I've ever tried. And anybody who's tried to emulate Apple in the past year or so, trying to make a fully wireless headphone, has failed miserably, and I am almost confident that there is nothing close to these as far as performance goes. Now, when these first came out and I watched the whole demonstration from Apple about these, I was really skeptical because I was like, how are these going to stay in my ear? I couldn't get regular EarPods to stay in my ear, let alone these. But I will admit that these are designed a little bit differently and they definitely work really well. They sort of rest along the side of my ear in a comfortable manner that doesn't aggravate my ears, and I didn't find myself fidgeting with my headphones quite as much as I do. Like with my Powerbeats, I have to have the cord dangling in front of me, and it's annoying. If I keep it behind my neck, it ends up like pulling on the top of my ear, and it hurts after a period of time. These were super comfortable, and the quality was great. Setup process was super easy. You just sort of flip the lid, and it's going to connect to your phone. And that's really super sweet. I mean, there's really never any doubt whether it's going to connect. You don't got to fuddle with any buttons. I enjoyed that. The other thing is when you're done with them, you put the AirPods right back where you found them, so you know they're going to be charged the next time you use them. With this case, you can get up to 25 hours of playback, or 24 hours they say, but it said 25, I don't know why. But you need the case in order to achieve that. What's also really super nice about this case is that there is a lightning port on the bottom, which means I don't need any other type of micro USB, USB-C to charge my headphones. I can just use the same thing I use with my iPhone, which I find super convenient. That's a really nice convenience. No other headphone offers that to this day. During working out, I was running on the treadmill, just going through my normal routine exercises, didn't have a problem with it, and I was getting pretty sweaty. And I didn't find that the headphones ever once felt loose or feel like they were going to hit the floor. Not ever, not once. It was super convenient. The sound quality that comes out of here are pretty good. I would say my Powerbeats are just a little bit more bassy, but this is a little bit different sound. It's a little more higher on the treble than it is so much on the bass, but it is a full sound. I mean, really no complaints for what they are. You can't compare a Beats to these. It's just two different animals. Really don't have any complaints with these. If I had to complain about one thing, is the fact that they are white, and I don't know, just a couple of times in taking them out of my ear, I'm not saying I have the cleanest ears in the world, but you can see earwax, which is sort of nasty, but I guess it's cool that you can see it. You can just sort of clean it off, full discretion. Yeah, I'm really happy with these. I wish I didn't wait this long for them to be I wish I didn't wait this long to buy them. I wish I would have bought them sooner. And yeah, I definitely will not be going back to any other type of headphone. The only thing that's going to suck is that if I decide to switch to Android at any point or use it, I'm going to lose some of the features. Now, one of the nice things about these headphones is you can quickly sort of tap with gestures on either ear, and you can choose those settings. They're customizable mapping within the configurations of Bluetooth, so you can have it do Siri, pause, play, skip, whatever you like, and they work really well. You can also have the ability to say, I'm not going to say it because maybe somebody bought a HomePod. Who would buy a HomePod? So I was wrong. I was really wrong about these. I'm really pleasantly surprised. These are definitely worth the money. Absolutely. I just wish they came in different colors. So Apple, if you're listening, make these in more colors. I really want color. Black or something would be so ideal. But if you haven't already and you have an iPhone and you're an active person, these are a definite win. Super, super awesome. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. I should have bought them sooner. That's the moral of the story. They're awesome. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you loved it, make sure you hit that subscribe button at the end of the video. As always, I will see you in the next one.